Mimi mtu akona 46 mama mboga. Sijapata kazi kwa vijana, sija benefiti kwa pesa ya uzee, sijaenda majuu. Niko wapi kwa hii kazi?
Asante sana Esther. Nitakwambia wewe kama mama mboga mambo matano. Ndio? Kwa sababu wewe uko na mtoto. Ndio? Si uko na watoto? Umebarikiwa na Mungu uko na watoto. So kama wewe hujapata kazi, ujipange ndio mtoto wako tupangane na yeye apate kazi. Si namna hiyo? Mtu wako hapo utapangana na yeye. Ako hapo. That is number 1. Number 2. Unajua tulikubaliana ya kwamba mama mboga pia atafanya kazi mahali kuna heshima. Tutahakikisha tutajenga soko. Tuhakikisha kwamba kina mama mboga wanafanya kazi. As I talk to you, nikiongea na wewe, tunajenga saa hizi soko 200 Kenya.
We're looking at, or our ask could be, how can we use the credit guarantee scheme that you have already initiated to convert it to be an export guarantee line that can be used by our manufacturers to be able to guarantee them payment after they ship their products. Other than that, I thank you for really looking into the protocol on youth and women in trade. And we've leveraged on that to be able to access a lot in terms of just opening doors at the Secretariat. I'm a 27-year-old and I'm privileged to be among the people who represent this country at the Secretariat.
Congratulations on what you're doing on behalf of many young people in Kenya, taking advantage of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area. It's a market of 1.4 billion people, and Kenya needs to move full speed and take its space and place in that market so that we can better leverage the market infrastructure that exists in the Africa Continental Free Trade Area to benefit our own enterprises and our own people.
Recently, we witnessed a move by the Cabinet Secretary, Dr. Alfred Mutua, where he facilitated the exportation of Kenyan skilled energetic labor to external markets for job opportunities. A good move that we appreciate, but doesn't that move leave the Kenyan economy at a bad place with the deprived skilled labor and or stressed skilled labor that cannot meet its potential? A good example is the medical sector, where we have fewer doctors attending to numerous patients, yet these doctors and nurses still form part and parcel of the skilled labor that are being exported to external market for employment. Thank you.
When you look at doctors and nurses, it is not that we do not have enough doctors or nurses being produced. Yes, the numbers are not where we are in terms of United Nations numbers, WHO, of the number per people. It's that we do not have the capacity at this time to absorb all of them. So I see where you're coming up with your point. But I also want to change the mentality where we think that there is what people are thinking of brain drain. What is happening is this. You have, for example, in the ICT sector, a huge number of people that are ready to work, that even if we sent away 100,000 people in ICT, we would still leave this country with so many other people, 500,000, who are still looking for employment. So that thinking that if we are sending people away, we are depriving our country, is not really accurate. Because we have more people out of work who can go and work overseas without depriving our Kenyan local market.
The 4 million people out there who have not paid their money, you have a chance. We are going to assess you. Once you pay, we are going to assess you for 2 months, and then we will graduate you to the bridge loan. We want many to come on board.